Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the front left roller assembly on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Pull off the base grill. Have an assistant help you to lift the left side of the appliance up so you can support it. Use an offset number 2 Phillips head screwdriver or square drive bit to unthread the 2 lower screws securing the roller assembly. Unthread the front screw and you can remove the old assembly. Install the new front roller assembly by aligning it on the frame, then thread the 3 screws to secure. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Align and snap the base grill into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.